creating awesome! Step 1. Draw a circle. Step 2. Give the circle a skirt. Now, this can be in any angle. It can be straight down like I'm doing right now, or give it a little twist. It doesn't really matter. A ghost can have any shape. Step 3. Draw a cute little smile. Now, since they are ghosts, you could also do like an angry face or a big open mouth, whatever you want. Step 4. Draw the arms. Step 5. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! Now, don't get scared, but I think you just made a little ghost friend for yourself. Don't forget to check out my other drawing tutorials. Bye bye!